Hi there. As per title, replacing the front bonnet or frunk struts from my Porsche Boxster 987 model. These parts are the magnetic Morelli ones. It's just showing up on screen, and there's two struts on the front. These aren't to be confused as the same as the back ones. The back one is shorter. These are 240 millimeters long. As you can see, all you need is a small flathead screwdriver, and as I put in, a broom handle or a pole to keep the bonnet or frunk up. Just be careful where you put it. I put it on the second layer of skin just to make sure it doesn't dent the bonnet. There's the original part number if you want to check what you need for your car. Yeah, because I really get into actually showing what's going on.
No, but I think I took a
This is the
video.
passenger
Well,
side.
okay.
Come and take some more proof. How good your video angles
It's
are.
a UK car. So again, a better view of what I'm doing. Just pulling this old one off, just putting the screwdriver under there and twisting it off, and you've got a solid metal ball, if you like, that's attached to the bonnet. And there's the new one going on. As you can see, this is where I pulled out the metal clip a bit too far, then just had to pull it back in. So I think that's the most fiddly part of this. You either don't pull it out enough or you pull it out too much, then just pops back in and ready to go. There you go. Just push it back on. And it feels loose, but once the top one's in, then that's fine. As I mentioned, same strut, same part number. If you've got a Porsche, that's either 997 or a Cayman or a Boxster, it's the same part number. As you can see, the part number starts with 997, so it's the same part. I think the date ranges from 2004 models up to 2012, so it includes the 987.1 and .2. And same for the Cayman and 911. Thanks for watching.